Hello, everyone. I know we all heard the news. Gilbert Godfrey has passed away. That was really surprising, and it's devastating to hear such a legendary good actor pass away so soon. 67. Died from illness. Oh boy, what a tragedy. There'll never be another person just like him. At least he's with Robert now. But I'll tell you guys this. He was not among my favorite actors, but he was definitely one I remembered from during my times of watching Disney. And one of them in particular was Aladdin. You all knew him as Iago, Jafar's little pet servant, servant of a parrot. He's a wisecracker. He's a little bit of a bad-tempered attitude. Even has a couple of issues with the Sultan. And my God, he was funny, but also horrible. And there were a few good moments that actor really threw in the towel right there. It's really horrible to hear such a good man pass away like that. But then, out of nowhere, I heard again that I saw him again in a way from Aladdin 2. May not be as good as the other models, but at least he was able to still play his acting role, of course. There might have been others replaced, but it didn't matter. As long as he was there and long he had a lot of good feckin' laughs, it's a good way to go. Then there was Dr. Dolittle, that little dog who wanted that bloody damn ball. It was a really short moment of his role, Mr. Godfrey did, but it was still funny. I still remember what the hamster once said, dear Rodney. You can't beat them all, Hasselhoff. You definitely can't beat someone like that one. Then there's the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the Crank Troops, which I'm sure you guys will have a look soon. I also have a small music and videos. I'm sure this will be enough for all of you people. Still can't believe a good guy like him passed away. But I'm sure he would be proud of all of us. Especially since he was a part of the reason that Disney what it was today, and still was one of the great legends I know. We will always remember him, and we will always keep his memory alive to find for future generations. Nobody can be him, but it doesn't mean nobody can be the best like him. This is for you, Gilbert. See you guys later on. Rajiasgachi Pache, dear friend.
That's it! I've had it! I hate to be dramatic, but it's time for me to fly the coop. Terrific! Fine! I'm drawing the line before I wind up in a parrot soup. I was a fool to let you run the show. I'm cutting you loose, pal! Look out below! Arrivederci! Say la vie! Hope all goes well!
it's flat and immense, and the heat is intense. It's barbaric, but hey, it's home. When the wind's from the east, and the sun's from the west, and the sand in the glass is right, come on down, stop on by, hop a carpet and fly to another Arabian night.